This is our lawn at the cottage. We don't cut it. There's at least 3 or 4 different kinds of bees in here. That looks like a honey bee. Oh, we just got in a big scrap with old Doozer here. There's another little different kind of bee. Oh, look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this. Now that's a weird looking bee. Look at that thing. So yeah, we leave our dandelions. We let the bees eat. Drives the neighbors nuts though. Oh, they're fighting. Big scrap in the dandelion patch. There's no bees here. That's the difference. When you cut the natural flowers, the bees disappear. There's no bees buzzing around here. Any bees? Ooh, there's butterflies.